As the department working together with the University of Fort Hare, after the passing of the resolution of the ANC of land expropriation without compensation, that meant different things to different people. As a department working with Fort Hare, we thought that it's important that as a province we have a platform to say how best do we respond, such that underline that ours is a country of the rule of law, but at the same time there are land needs that must be responded to. And therefore it's important that we must find a way to respond those needs, but at the same time we must then package what is it that we would want as a province to put on the table as a contribution in the national process towards the amendment of the Constitution. That's what this session is about. And at the same time, there are land parcels that are available, that are state land, that are church land, that are community land, that are available in the here and now. How do we package those such that we respond to land needs now, so that we avert any things that can result to chaos, seeing people occupying land illegally, as that would be anti-development. So that's what this dialogue is about. To put us all together so that we are able to respond to land needs, and we are able to respond to uncertainties and fears that might be among those who own land. There is no need for us to fear anything. Ours has been always, our country, a country committed to negotiated solutions to our challenges. That's what this thing seeks to do.
Land obviously is a major concern for most South Africans. But the reason for having debate on it is because there is an enormous amount of misunderstanding and misinformation. I suppose one could even say ignorance. And people need good information and good background to be able to make their own decisions, whether it's on land or anything else. But land is a particularly emotive subject, and in the Eastern Cape especially. I called it the apartheid province, partly to be provocative, but partly because that's the fact.
I do think that
Okay.
the faster the government and all critical stakeholders move on the land issue, the better, because the boiling frustration leads to land grabs, the confusion leads to land grabs, and it also leads to uncertainty for those who are farmers, and even those who are investors, because there's nothing business is sensitive about more than uncertainty. It is better you take the hard pill, but be certain about what you're doing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.